If we've learned anything over the past few weeks, it is that Wall Street doesn't necessarily care about what you think. So the question is this: if you're going to place your money in the hands of someone or an entity, do you want that entity to be someone that is playing fast and loose with your money, or do you want it to be an entity that works for you? We're talking about the difference between banks and credit unions today.
Yes, we love this conversation. Scott Arkles joins us. He's the president and CEO of Silver State Schools Credit Union. Great to talk to you, Scott. Let's dive into this. We love it. What really is the difference? Basically, I know you've worked on both sides between a bank and a credit union.
Yep. So 25 years with in the banking industry before joining credit unions 12 years ago. And so just to explain a little bit, Silver State Schools Credit Union is a non-for-profit institution that offers the same financial services and loan products that you'll usually find at traditional banks. But unlike banks that return the profits back to their shareholders, credit unions like Silver State Schools Credit Union are owned by their members. And as such, they share in the many benefits that the credit union offers. And so some of those benefits are lower loan interest rates and fees, higher savings dividends, and we offer a lot of services that banks don't offer, and we do it free, which is kind of a good deal for everybody. And so, at Silver State Schools Credit Union, we pride ourselves in giving back to the community.
I want to make sure how many Lear jets do you have there at SSSCU?
0, and we never will have any.
Nothing wrong with having a jet, but it's just, I want to make sure I'm not paying for your jets. Okay. So how does one?
It'd be fun. But, yeah.
I think when people hear credit union, they immediately think, "Oh, I'm not eligible. I don't work for a specialized thing." And they hear Silver State Schools, they're like, gotta be a teacher. Not the case if you want to join SSSCU. No. Is that the case?
Yeah, not at all. So the great news is nearly anyone can join and become a member of Silver State Schools Credit Union, and it's easy to join as well. So obviously educators, administrators, school staff are eligible. But if you're a school volunteer, a student, a retiree, or even a parent or guardian of a student involved in an educational organization in Nevada, you can be a Silver State Schools Credit Union member. And I always like to emphasize this one too. Anyone can join Silver State Schools Credit Union by making a one-time donation to Vegas PBS. And as you know, wow. PBS is very supportive of the education system in the Las Vegas Valley. So natural partnership, and it benefits them, it benefits the school district and us.
Awesome.
Wow, that's incredible. It's way more accessible than people might think. Because I know, if you've never been a member, you drive by a credit union and you think it's like, this thing you have to be invited to or something. That is not the case. Scott, whenever you come on, we love seeing your background, because you've really stepped things up there with your set. Right. But we also like to hear about what it is that you are doing this month in the community, because last time we talked to you, you had 2 amazing programs going on. Right now, there's a scholarship.
Yeah, it's one of the things that I'm really happy to talk about, because the credit union's been recognizing outstanding Nevada seniors for their academic achievement and community involvements for 32 years, believe it or not. And so, and each year Silver State Schools Credit Union awards scholarship recipients a $2,000 scholarship, when that's renewable for all 4 years, as long as they still keep up the standards. Wow. And this year we're going to be offering 10 scholarships to graduating high school seniors, and so we're accepting those scholarships and those applications now through March 20th. And you can visit silverstatecu.com/scholarships for more information. And great program. We spend about $85,000 a year on that program. And so it's a great give back to the community and to our students.
It's great that you do that, and you make sure that you turn around and you do good with the money that people that trust you with, which is phenomenal. Scott, it's great getting a chance to talk with you as always. It's worth noting there's no secret knock over at Silver State Schools Credit Union. You don't have to be a Freemason. You can get in. Don't.
Anybody can get in. So,
Scott's great talking to my friend.
Great to have you, Scott. Thank you.
You too. Thanks, Sean and JJ.
You know what they say, vote with your wallet. And if you want to make sure that your money is being put to good use, you go to a great credit union like Silver State Schools Credit Union at silverstatecu.com, or the number right there on your screen if you want to learn more. Silver State Schools Credit Union, a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.